body dysmorphic disorder that is essential for the assessment of the rhinoplasty. BDD describes an altered perception of one's own appearance that result in distress. It is subjective feeling of ugliness or physical defect which the patient feels is noticeable to the others, although the appearance is within the normal limits. The onset of BDD is typically in late adolescent. It is a chronic rather than episodic condition and affect both gender equally. About 33% of the patients seeking rhinoplasty had moderate symptom of BDD. According to DSM-5 diagnostic criteria for body dysmorphic disorder, first is preoccupation with one or more perceived defect in physical appearance that are not observable or appear to the others. Second is at some point during the course of disorder, the individual has performed repetitive behavior about mirror checking, excessive grooming, skin picking, reassurance seeking, or mental acts. Third is preoccupation causes clinically significant distress or impairment in social, occupational, or other important area of functioning. Fourth is the appearance preoccupation is not better explained by concern with body fat or weight and as an individual whose symptom meet diagnostic criteria for eating disorder. So these are the four criteria for the diagnosis of body dysmorphic disorder according to DSM-5. Red flag signs are body image concerns that are difficult to others to see, unrealistic expectation of treatment outcomes, worrying about body image repeatedly throughout the day for the long period, use of camouflaging and cover up strategies, constant request for reassurance, mirror checking or avoidance of mirror, avoidance of social situation, general reduction in quality of life, disruption in daily activity, patient present with numerous photos, patient present with detailed idea of how to improve appearance, patient has other area of body image concern, patient report multiple previous ineffective consultation or treatments.